most respected Sri Dinesh Ji Wagmare, Principal Secretary, Medical Education and Drug Control Department, Sri Anil Patil Ji, Commissioner FDA Maharashtra, respected Sri Ajit Singh Ji, Chairman Associated Capsule Group. Recently came to know that sir born and brought up in Rajasthan, the smart personality Ajit Singh Ji, respected Dr. G. Koteshwar Rao Saab, National General Secretary, Drugs Control Officers India Welfare Association, Dr. T.V. Narayana, National President IPA, Sri Umesh Saligram, Executive Director, Serum Institute, Sri Dhananjay Tripathi Ji, CEO Atlantic Life Sciences, Republic of Ghana, and Sri Koshyat Saab, FDA, Gujarat Commissioner, last time Lifetime Achievement Awardee, Sri Dr. Ram Kishan Ji, the Vibrational Personality, DDC CDSCO, Hyderabad, Drug Control Officers Welfare Association Founder Sri Lalit Goyal Saab, Rakesh Daya Ji, respected DR Gahane Saab, Local Organizing Committee Chairman, Sri Rajkumar Ji Jadbuke Saab, Convener, all the LOC team, all Central Executive Committee members, and Sri Jayant Kumar Ji, DDC CDSCO Mumbai Zone, all the state drug controllers, respected Ajay Ji Pathak, Drug Controller Rajasthan, respected SP Adesra Saab, ex-drug controller Gujarat, and valuable drug control officer welfare association member from across India. Gathered today here at Mumbai, a very good morning to all and warm welcome to the second annual Congress cum workshop of Drug Control Officers India Welfare Association. Once again, welcome you all. What a great day. We are eagerly waiting to meet at financial capital of India. महाराजा छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज की इस पावन धरा पे सभी का स्वागत है. Today I take this opportunity to read and tell the activities conducted by Drug Control Officers India Welfare Association under the dynamic leadership of Sri G. Koteshwar Rao Saab. I thanks to founder of the association Mr. Lalit Goyal Ji and Rakesh Daya Ji and G. Koteshwar Rao who main element for the formation of this association. The association in the name of DCOI-WA is registered on 14th October 2022 with registration number 634/2022 having its headquarter at Hyderabad. Later we obtained PAN card of association and opened bank account in Hyderabad on 31st October 2022. The first executive committee meeting was held at Jaipur, Rajasthan in November 2021 and served out various committee of association and taking additional members into the Central Executive Committee. Later on, our president and our founder members visited many states like Karnataka, Goa, Pondicherry, Punjab, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Chandigarh, Delhi, West Bengal, Jammu Kashmir, Uttarakhand, Tamil Nadu, Tripura, Meghalaya, Assam, Telangana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Odisha, Jharkhand, Maharashtra, Gujarat, Arunachal Pradesh, and Nagaland to motivate many working and retired officers to get the membership and started with 001 and respected sir, now we are 1,417 members till today, and this is a very proud moment that we are the largest world's regulator drug controller association, and we have highest members from Rajasthan like 115, from Maharashtra it is 101. As respected sir, as the main objective of association are welfare and continuous education for our members. In this segment, as a part of welfare activities, we have mobilized financially ready 18 lakhs rupees to late Sri Sudeep Ganguly, Drug Inspector, West Bengal family, ready 14 lakhs rupees to Mr. late Rampal, Drug Control Officer from Rajasthan family, ready 8 lakhs to Mr. late Dhanpal, Drug Inspector, Tamil Nadu family, 50,000 to late Ravana Siddhappa, DDC Kolkata family so far, We played a key role in mobilizing funds for the treatment of baby Grima, daughter of Mr. Shandip Kumar, Drug Inspector CDSU Gazirabad, who was suffering from a rare disease, and the cost of the treatment was about 17 crore. The association contributed 1 lakh and 25,000 contributed by Palvi Memorial Trust also. As a part of welfare activities, we have distributed ready 1,100 New Year diaries for the year 2023 and ready 1,500 complimentary act books for the life members in this recent July 2024 by the great efforts of Drug Act Committee, and special thanks to Lalit Goyal ji for providing updated version of Drug Act to all the life members. As a part of continuous education, we have conducted workshop at Raipur, Chhattisgarh in 2022, Agartala at Tripura, then Hyderabad, Telangana in 2023, Srinagar on May 2023, then Ahmedabad, Gujarat on December 2023. Also conducted several webinars on the subject matter by experts regularly. We successfully conducted our first annual Congress cum workshop at Delhi on July 2023, and approximate 400 delegates attended it. We have conducted 5 executive committee meetings, first one in Jaipur, second EC meeting at Srinagar, third EC meeting at Ahmedabad, fourth EC meeting at Mumbai yesterday, and also one EC meeting through video conference. The first annual general meeting technically is a second AGM taken place yesterday in the same place at ITC Maratha, and audited balance sheet for the financial year 2023-24 was presented. Although it is a huge challenge for all of us, the association, to deliver and meet the expectation of the members, I, along with the office bearers of Drug Control Officers India Welfare Association, taking the responsibility with high moral, will work with constant approach and coordination with the esteemed members of our association, as well as with the state drug controllers and DCGI, state government and central government machinery, to develop our profession to the sky high. To work for the well-being and development of this profession is definitely hard task, but nothing is impossible. Though many hurdles will come, but still we are high of our moral. We will stand for our commitment. We stand with each and every member for our association in every situation. We are ready to fight for our rights and demands. We believe in positivity, sir, and positive work. I definitely confident that we will achieve all our goals in near future with coordination and cooperation of all the members of DCU IVA. The DCU IVA is an interstate platform where we can make our future prospect, deliver our foresight for development of drugs control organization. Sharing of intelligence and interstate cooperation is much easier, but what we have never thought, DCOA is a family platform which is created with the emotions. Nowadays, this platform is doing wonders, like helping all officers nationwide, interstate coordination to stop the misuse of spurious, counterfeits and narcotics drugs. As we know that the illegal drug mafia are increasing day by day, so better coordination and better news required to case these culprits. Recently, due to this platform and association only, like lakhs of counterfeit drugs was seized by our esteemed members. Recently, respected sir, we have launched Drug Control Officer India Welfare Association newsletter by Rakesh Daya, Chief Editor, and this version is highly updated and latest information and actions are included in this. Once again, I extend my heartful welcome to each and every one of you. Let us make the most of this Congress cum workshop, leverage our collective expertise, knowledge and passion to create a stronger and more effective drug control system in India. Before concluding, I would like to express my deepest gratitude to the organizing committee. Special thanks to Sri D.R. Gahane ji, local organizing committee chairman, Sri Rajkumar ji Jadbuke, convener LOC, for a wonderful and memorable arrangement and set up SOP for future. Thanks to all the sponsors and partners who made this event possible. Your support and contributions are highly appreciated and we immensely grateful for your commitment to the cause. We all are here due to the most important person here, the most dynamic, the line personality, Sri Koteshwarji Rao, our Honorable President, Drug Control Officer, India Welfare Association. His vision and foresight for development of this association with constant efforts and confidence brings desired result. That is why we are here today. मैं सम्माननीय सेक्रेटरी साहब का ध्यान आकर्षित करना चाहूंगा कि देश के हर कोने में एक फैमिली एंड प्रोफेशनल फीलिंग हमारे इस एसोसिएशन में है और डेफिनेटली माय सिंसियर थैंक्स टू ऑल ईसी मेंबर्स एंड लाइव मेंबर्स फॉर डिकोआ फॉर देयर कंट्रीब्यूशन. Thank you so much for giving the opportunity to making this event grand success. Wish you all the productive, engaging and enjoyable comrades. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. जय हिंद, जय भारत.